Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing good. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover your deleted files using this software called 4D Python Share. It is available for both Windows and Mac as well. They have plenty of extensions file that this software can recover, and they also have a very detailed guide that can help you recover your deleted files. They have all the steps. You can use this guide to recover your deleted files. But anyway, I'll tell you how you can do. Okay, so close this, and when you purchase this software, use my coupon code to get 30% discount. The coupon code for this software is in the description below. After installing this software, and when you run this software, it will show you an interface like this, and here you will see all your drives. So before we begin, let me show you its features. So I'll explain some features of 4D Python Share. Number 1. Recover lost data from local disk. You can recover your lost data or your deleted data from local disk. As you can see, these are all the disks or partitions that you can recover from. Okay, just you have to click on start and it will do the scanning and you can recover your deleted files. Okay, and here it will refresh. So now let's move on to the next feature. Okay, so the number 2 is recover data from lost partition. Okay, I'll not show you the whole data recovery process. I'll just explain you how you can do that. Okay, so let me scroll down here, and as you can see, here is a lost partition. Those are the lost partition that are not already in your disk. Okay, just click on start and it will start the scanning, and after you have scanned, just stop it and you can recover those files. Okay, I've already shown you the process, so just do just like that. I'll not show you the whole process. Now let's move on to the next feature. Okay, so the next feature is recover data from external drive. So I'll show you this one at last. So let's move on to the next feature, recover data from crash computer. Okay, so this is one of the highlighted feature of this software. Okay, you can recover deleted files from your crashed computer. So here is advanced repair. Click on recover from crashed computer, click on start, and here you just have to choose your USB flash drive to create bootable drive. Okay, so here is bootable drive, and here it has already detected my USB flash drive. Okay, and you can see create bootable drive, boot up in crash computer, and you can check their guide how to do this process. Okay, so I'll not show you the whole process, just go to their website and check this guide on how to recover from crashed computer. As you can see, recover from crashed computer, just click on that and it will take you to that post. Okay, recover data from crashed computer. Now let's back to home and let's move on to the next feature, recover data from recycle bin. Okay, this software can also recover your deleted files or permanently deleted files from recycle bin. Okay, so just click on start and it will start scanning, and just like I have shown you before. Okay, so now it's recover data from desktop. So you can also recover data from your desktop. This is the desktop. Okay, if you have deleted any files from here, it can recover those files. Okay, this software is able to do that. So I'll not show you. I have already shown you how you can recover your deleted files and how to recover them. Okay, so now let's move on to the next feature, which is recover data from specific folder. So this is also one of the highlighted feature that I like because it saves you a lot of time. So here is select folder. As soon as you click on it, it will ask you to choose a folder from where you want to recover the files. Okay, so just click on start and just like I have shown you before, just do like that. Okay, so let's move on to the last feature of the software. So here is, as you can see, recover data from external hard drive or USB flash drive. Okay, you can recover either from external hard drive, SSD or USB flash drive. Okay, let's go to this PC, and here as you can see, here is my USB drive. Inside this, here you can see a folder, and inside this folder you can see other folders as well. Okay, so here are my pictures, okay, pins, Pinterest pictures, and here you can see the preview. And let's go back, and here are some other files as well, camera and PDF, images, GIF files, etc. Okay, so are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? I'll not delete this, I'll just format the whole USB drive. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the properties. As you can see, USB drive 532, usage space 8.12 and free space 6.78 and capacity is 4.9 GB. Okay, so let me show you in the software also. As you can see, USB drive M, okay, 6.8 out of 14.9. okay, and you can see the bar. So let me show you, just format it. Okay, click on start and it will ask you for the warning, and click on OK, and the drive is in use because it's already attached, to the 4DX software. Okay, just so no need to worry, just click on yes and it will format the drive. Okay, so format complete, click on OK, and here also click on close, and let's go to the software. But first let me show you, this folder is empty, I mean the drive is empty. Okay, now close this, and here as you can see, here is the USB drive, and here as you can see the bar, it's full, I mean it's half full, but as soon as I click on refresh, it's now empty. Okay, now click on start. After that it will start scanning the files, and as you can see the progress here, fast scan. You can also stop or pause it if you don't want the whole scanning. Okay, and after that click on recover and it will recover, and choose your destination to recover these files. Okay, so I will fast forward this process so that you don't have to watch this whole process. So let me just fast forward it. So as you can see that found 227 files. More tips to follow for finding files that we have read before. Okay, so click on understood, and here you can see the folder that it has searched for, lost location, and inside that it has scanned the files and the results are here. Okay, you can also go to file view and you can see which files are recovered, photos, videos, documents, etc, etc. Okay, so let's go to tree view again, and here let me choose the folder. Okay, so I'll choose some random folders. I'll not recover the whole drive, so let me choose some folders. Okay, let me check which one should I recover. Okay, so inside this, okay, so you can also recover this whole drive, but I will not. Okay, so it's total 13.94 GB, and let me choose some small files so that I can give you the proper evidence. Okay, so here let me choose the file. Okay, cam scanner, and here recordings, and just click on recover and choose the destination where you want to save. Okay, so it's our storage drive, and here I have already a folder. You can also create new one. So click on 4D recover, click on recover, and it will start recovering these files. Okay, so based on the files that you are recovering, it will take some time, so I'll just fast forward this. So it has nearly completed the data recovery. So let's see how much time does it take. Okay, so the recovery has been completed. Okay, these files are recovered and view recovered files, and here is our drive letter, and here is our location. Okay, as you can see, here is our drive letter M. Just click on it, and here is the lost location folder, and inside that here are our files that we have recovered. Okay, here is our Pinterest pictures, and as you can see, here are all the pictures, and let's check. So as you can see, these files are working. Okay, no quality loss at all. It's full resolution, full quality, original quality. So guys, yes, this software works. Okay, so let's close this and let's check other ones as well. Okay, so here is also camera folder, and here are some images of my cat, me, and some plants. Okay, so let's start with anything. So as you can see, the picture quality is good, no quality loss at all, and the pictures are working fine. Okay, so no problem at all. Okay, so these files are working. Okay, so the software is legit, it's working. Cam scanner. Okay, here are some PDF files, and here are some private PDF files. So even so, I'll show you to show you the proof that it works. Okay, so let's click this PDF file. Okay, Joy Marandi, and as you can see, friends, I have opened Joy Marandi folder, and I think it's a letter inside this PDF. Okay, so yes, this is working, and let's check another one. Okay, let's check audio file. Okay, so these are all my recordings, and let's play it. So as you can see here, it's loading, and if it runs, then that means yes, the audio file is playing. So as you can see, the countdown
तो
has
आज
started,
मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे
and
आप
it's
जो है
running.
फाइल
Okay,
को
5
रिकवर कर
seconds.
सकते हैं, जो कि
Done. That means yes, the file is playing and it's working good. And let's check the video file, and as you can see that this video is also playing. Okay, let me forward it,
और तब आप
and as you can see,
मुझे फोन
it's
मत करना
moving.
कि कब वो
That means yes, this video is playing perfectly, no worries at all. Okay, so here are other folders as well that you might want to recover, but I'll not recover. I have just shown you the demonstration how you can recover. Okay, let's return to home, and here are our drives. Okay, so that was it.